Hello everyone, I wanted to show you today the computer application based of project where we will just show you how the project should be compiled when the students are making their portfolio or their final presentation of the report. So this is the presentation which I am just going to share with you on the different kind of weave design, different kind of pattern design, as well as the print development, etc. So let's show you once the presentation will begin. So it is on based on the formal wear presentation where the student have researched upon the past history over the research where the student have projected a one brand and then just work upon it like for the formal wear collection what exactly prints and design are going on student generally wear and also get to information about the fabric brand and product details such as where the what other elements have been added in the product such as the different print or stripe or maybe the dress material have been used, what material belt or anything or button pockets etc have been added, formal or semi-formal or indo-western etc details, and what other elements such as pockets, many how many pockets and size, where the size description, manufacturing details, the pricing, the manufacturing company, country, packaging detail, and the color information and how many quantity inside of the packet. So all the information which is generally help to the student and get the more information about the tags mentioned on tags, and also they see the different label quality and the label mentioned on inside the garment. And after the doing of research, when they have done the research, they will just start getting the information about the swatch board. Swatch board is about the different type of material such as the fabric, cutting, or etc. The trims, button, zippers, etc. has been added into the material into the garment. So then they will just start working upon the software where the student generally you work on the motif development, and after that they will just convert in a print development. And the third part is the colorways. Like firstly, they will just start with the motif through the pen tool or through the shape, custom shape, and different cutting, selecting tools. They generate the motif, and then after start generating of motif, they will just convert into the print or repetition of the print and different desizing process of the that, and then they will convert through the adjustment tool or maybe the different color chosen by the different color palette, and then they will start making of the color ways. Colorways are the number of colors of the same print, such as you can see that this is a pastel line where the student have made one color line of the one print and then the second choice of that. So similarly you can see the colorways of that, the colorways of every each print have been mentioned very clearly. So this is just an idea. See, these are the different print has been developed and the colorways. And then let's move to the weave part. So we have seen the different color, print, motif, colorways, as well as now moving to the weave, where the plain weave, herringbone, satin, twill, multiple weave generally student learn in the computer application. You can see that the weave has been put into the backside of fabric because in our day-to-day life of wearing clothes, the weave is not visible. But yes, it is the basic structure of any kind of fabric weave generally introduced. So you can see that the multiple weaves at the backside has been multiply with the fabric, herringbone, plain, twill, etc. Different shades of fabric have a different effects after putting the weave. Generally, we the opacity we put light comparatively to the print because opacity should, I mean, the weave should not be much visible onto the fabric. I mean, the weave should not be over the print. print should be over the weave, because we have seen so many fabrics, like in a woven fabrics weave generally we got. So the weave should not be much visible because it is just a structure of fabric, so it should be less opacity. So I always advise to my students to showcase a less opacity. So these kind of project you guys can see and just take an idea we generally tell to our kids. Thank you.